To stream with sound on Discord, you need to join a voice channel or call. Then select the Share Your Screen option. When prompted, choose Applications instead of Screens, as the latter does not support audio sharing. If the application you want to share is not listed, it may be because it's in full screen mode. So try switching it to a non-full screen mode. If the audio still isn't working, open the user settings by clicking the gear icon. Then navigate to App Settings and select Voice and Video. Scroll down to the Screen Share section and toggle the Use Experimental Method to Capture Audio option. If it's on, try turning it off, and vice versa. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try closing Discord, uninstalling it, rebooting your computer, and then reinstalling the application, as this may be due to a cache issue or an outdated version. By following these steps, you should be able to stream with sound on Discord.